Yeah, that's the one, right? That's the one. No, move. I'm gonna get the car. Yeah. Wow, look at that car. I think there's one person inside the car. Oh, there's a person inside the car. There's a person inside the car.
Yes, it's a lady in there.
Really?
Yeah.
So who's the other guy that
They
ran?
caught the guy.
Yeah, so he's the driver.
Yeah.
So I think they chased him already, this car, because you heard the sirens, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and then maybe the car hit this one, because when I was in the living room, I watched TV, and then I see the spark. You know the spark?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? Because I thought, oh, I think it was a gun. Oh my God, there's
Oh, I know. I didn't know what, and I came out, and I'm going,
oh, there's dead people inside the car. Oh my God, bless you.